Good evening, Rhondda. It's a poem I wrote quite a while back now, but seems more relevant than ever in these days for one of life's more important questions. What's for tea? What do you want for tea? I asked. He looked blank and scratched his head. I don't mind. It's up to you. We'll have pie and chips then, I said. No, I don't feel like pie today. Well, what do you feel like then? How about a nice piece of fish? Nah, we had some on Friday. I don't fancy that again. I took a sharp intake of breath and counted up to 20. There's only a few potatoes there, but if I mash them, there'll be plenty. He wrinkled his nose and shook his head. Oh, just do me anything. On hearing that, my patience snapped. Swear I heard it ping. I stormed off into the kitchen and banged the pots and pans. I emptied the cupboard and the fridge of their packets and their cans. Right, anything is what you ask for, so anything you will get. I emptied Fido's meaty chunks into a dish and well seasoned with salt and vinaigrette. I grated some gorgonzola into Marmite and Angel Delight. I stirred it into the concoction. Oh, it was a disgusting sight. I savagely chopped up an onion and tossed it into the mix. Sprinkled curry powder into strawberry jam and topped it with Weetabix. Into the oven at 180 it went, or if you prefer, as gas mark 4. I let it bake for 20 minutes. Added extra cheese and then gave it 10 minutes more. As I served it up before him, just the smell of it made him wince. My cunning plan had worked a treat. He hasn't asked for anything since. Thank you. Stay safe.